Hey there everyone, Avra here with EdTechTeacher. Let's continue with our Google Educator Level 1 tasks and take a look at this one. We are going to locate a folder in the Shared With Me section, and then we're going to change the color of that folder so that it becomes easier to find. So let's get started. We're going to head back over to our Google Drive, and we are going to navigate down here on the left to Shared With Me. Remember that this is a section where anyone that has shared a folder or a file with you, this is where those files and folders will go. So you can see here I've got some Google Docs, I've got some Google Spreadsheets, and I have some Google Drive folders. All we have to do is locate one of the folders, right-click on it, and go on down to where it says Change Color. From here, we can select a color. And now, as we are scanning through our Shared With Me section, which sometimes can have many, many files in it, this will be a nice, quick representation of that folder so we can find it more easily. One cool thing to note is that this does not change the color of the folder in the original Google Drive. So for example, if my colleague Tom had shared this with me, it would be red here in my Shared With Me, but it would not be red in his Google Drive. So you don't have to worry that you are changing the color of a folder in someone else's drive. You're just doing it here in your Shared With Me location.